and on team come for amount full chicken, thigh, wings, breast, gizzard, layers, main sweet, and cramming in a bio hop. Bunch my high street and the press video anymore. As I was market and so be here. Sounds now be here top high. Yeah, SG Mall, Poku Trading at Dumun so sell body junction 05444453 05444453. Not just say no, Mesaba Munchembio. Now, David, I no pay yam share. Ghana, Yakodum Pempen so say, the media review budget abe tuja. It will be on my OT or say a near memoir thing. Which party no ye party. Mama economy in the it's like virtually development is nil. And pay yenin komo. Looking at sectors, looking at areas. Why would you want a Ghanaian to rethink na onto Obama MPP bill in terms of development?
My enemy does.
Yeah, sure. Any mu say minia NDC ninspa be kayensa in the person of we do born him back home. Yeah, Fibia minia ni deal. What did he come up? We did it just yeah.
Emma ahwefoni atiefo nyina achi anopai. 2024 about 12.
Solomon Anani.
Na
Yenia Solomon and Yeshanani.
Yo, Yahweh say Yami Admo Babekan.
My border da bye bye.
So Sompa first thing I said to home Ghana for Nina Ihun first and say Mampani bia ni hwa emra wa kunwa so no o man no abonabaso. I appreciate it so ye adwuma. Eno de ye ni kan fanto. That is why yempani baako na yempapa baako nipa bebre susu se oye adwuma pa se mampani bia akra no asrafo ne yini fra konwa no so. But ofri ho wie no and ye tro ne ho nsem a ye manchini ba hunu se nya mampani bia odi kan a obone ho modern ba. 2008 around this time na me gidi say Ghana ya succeed in demonizing President Kufuor. So ono de okra de wa meye hwe. But today ye kai no ye hunu nipa oye. That's a wodi samre no kra etoto enemre yi ho de a ene ye na metumi e dia dance yese aban we gina brane na mmiri bia eni akiri kra eba mampani na nado danko Akufo Addo will go down to be either the best or one of the best presidents Ghana ever had. Na aside enono we are say akwa huhihi
Mama Solomon akwa Solomon e bom to say baby aboko jiwa home beba on check ma mentio
we are say akwa hochire mu ebi aka babia but ni nyina echi no say ye de say aban niema oyo ama oman ma nya ho hare ana oman ma nya sitina mu mfaso dia na metumi de min say sime bu say aban bi ani ho awoto na nado danko Akufo Addo every sector Sompa every sector fane mako mampani bia ayobi mampani bia betu ni obi kura ayobi na watu ho anamo tie fane records. Fortunately for us election a edi animu no panimfo a ekwa obia wa hoden se bia obetumi adi nkunim no ese yefa obia bakosem na obia records se ne making per directive principles of state policy obia ban bia ba no ye adwuma nhihye no se obi to aso but why so na ato afoforo de yeso pa mampani na nado danko Akufo Addo be inherit 44 health projects. 44 health projects no emu mako be say 13 every president Kufuor emu mako be say 5 every Professor Moss yewo mako say 23 I free John Dramani Mahama.
Okay.
But President Mahama dear no na emu mako say 15 polyclinics. Then mienu efri a champion. The hospital projects Ghana baya hodwodo monsaka from 1976
to the time.
ABC 2017 and another danko akufuado beto so na 44.
Okay.
Yeah, kasa 44 no. We more than 36.
Sompa,
and they are all running. 10 polyclinics from Central region. Na emu mienu 30-bed hospitals. Na emu mako ngotwi 15-bed polyclinics. Na biwo Breku, biwo Gomwa Putin, biwo Gomwa de Rampon. Akumfudi mako 10.
So it is not the case that uncompleted.
Me say, take it from me. All hospitals are now by bidding in Saka within a space of within a space of 44 years. Na mako 44.
Was it coincidental? I said 44 years.
That is it.
44.
Now, yes, say ye can keke so that will keep you make a material. Tina material
say 36.
Me say 30 and a material say emu 10 na ye polyclinics in Central region. Mabum kuru no bi a kyerɛw. Opa minu ya bama me yi abo all the 10 a kyerɛw. Ya wie ni nyina bi. President Mahama Kati sold in 2015. Okona ne akosoro power 54%. But na ya wie all the 10 abie ni nyina eye adwuma. Oja 5 polyclinics in Greater Accra. Botiano na bi ho English amanfom na o ba bi Sokudai sa Greater Accra 5 ya wie ni nyina abi. President Kufuor de a making na ba ko Setwinsara na ya wie abi. Na ya wo the 9 Eurojet projects. And then 9 Eurojet projects no ya wie 6 abi ni nyina ya adwuma. Ya wie 2 ye be bie next month. The only one na bina kasa e baya be di President Kufuor de anko site da. Sompa na ye dia be sha agenda 111 ye salaga. Ya wie twufo praso abi. Ya wie ga east awie. Kwabenya. Ya wie tepa abi. Ya wie konongo abi. Ya wie wa abi. Sa 6 eno ye 6. Ya wie ni nyina abi. Afari Sewua done awaiting commissioning. The only one I can nine no as I said ne yen no as in S form near the Abesha agenda 111 salaga. Ufri no a President Kufuor Hospital Takwa yen ye be wie abi. President Champon Eja Hospital wo Boakye. Ekawa Prof Mills in 2010 ebekate sword. Owu ye na eka ho ye bedue na nado to 20 million euros ene ye de awie Boakye abi Boakye man hene se ye odanyame asese osi akonwa so a champion time ene ye bekate sword. Na then the then Minister of Health no prikokofu to person de kokokofu no mo advising say pay comfort noche nkromante ase to on famra Boakye mum. That is how come the history behind it. Today odanyame asese na nado awie abi ama no. Comfanochi maternity block was 44 years. Na baya hodo about na na do baya ye buguye. Na ne yaye. So out of the 44 na na do beto so no. Jomama last minute 2nd January 2017 cash sold for 5 hospitals, 1 polyclinic. Hwita. Somanya. Bupe. Bole Bamboy. Sa 6 hospitals 5 polyclinic 1 na ya wie ni nyina abi.
Sompa 2017
2nd January na Jomama Kate sold. Enwachi Jomama started hospital project be 7 number NMS Aburi Kumau Fomena Takra de Ifia Hospital na eka ho bi Dodowa. Out of the 11 hospitals, and as far as 12, 5 plus 7, 12 plus 1 polyclinica, your mama initiating the last minute, and the any records in health are owie Dodowa,
yeah.
No be. The remaining 6 are neka hono, and only Eddie Muska $16 million. Quiet research on the 2016 victory or losing. You better be a next canasa, but as we talk, you will come a webby. You will for me na abi. Garu contractor and kohokra. Tine the Abesha agenda 111 is ongoing. It's root. The hospitals are your mama initiative. Nye abri. You will hitabi. You will bupe abi. You will somanya abi. You will bole bamboy abi. So your mama hospitals or no other than Sakai last minute, near Aka and ne yenye abri. To make our hospitals 44 nanado beto soa onya enwie ya garu ka ho, but now it's under agenda 111 is roofed. Salaga ka ho agenda 111 now roofed. Then abri ka ho ebi. Okay. Ya the way bu nyina to nchen. Nanado himself, aside Agenda 111, had initiated 63 hospital projects. 63 before Agenda 111. And me farmer non kan keke sa emma.
Sompa FM.
I want to prove it to you, say. These are the hospitals. Estati wa ha, ye ko health no estati. Come for anochi. Ye buguye. Sake of integrity. And from 750 yes in 555 bed capacity hospital ne obi alcohol obi musa ne yete. 2 Kolebu maternity block 400 bed now is completed, is there. Kolebu 101 bed urology and nephrology center is ongoing. Eastern Regional 600 bed hospital is ongoing. It's not under Agenda 111. Western Regional Hospital, Ekososesi aye kasei, ewo Apimanim, Agunan Kwanta. Apimanim. Yes. University of Ghana Hospital Phase 2. We took our own money and built it, and we have commissioned University of Ghana Phase 2. It was John Mahama inherited from Atamils, but one touch Phase 2 no. Until say Obe hand over our commission Phase 1. No, the next president say, or say Uncle Jiska $48 million, no see Phase 2. And now do I SC every University of Ghana Phase 1, Phase 2 running. Solid. There were 160 bed La Hospital, and Agenda 111 is ongoing. There were 100 bed 2, Bako Shama, Bako Nkranza. Central Medical Stores, actually under John Mahama, is being built under Nanado. 40 bed accident and trauma center, Doma. 40 bed accident and trauma center in Yirisi. O Konkrana, one used to play now. Ube who right. Almost here we call awaiting commissioning. Afei, there were 4 hospitals in Eastern Region. New. One is Tetekwati Memorial Hospital. One is Kibi District Hospital. Abri Hospital. Then Atibio Hospital. Then construction of Infectious Disease Center. Ewoga East Hospital. Construction of Infectious Disease Center. 37 Military Hospital. The 63 are unique and separate. From the Agenda 111. We are about Agenda 111. So in the history, Biana Obi Kasa, Mamini can to me, Nubia and Sana Onipanabum. 1. You can never associate some 4 hospitals to John Dramani Mahama, whilst some of us are around.
Why? Which hospitals?
A Rage Hospital expansion. It's a purely Atamils project. Purely Atamils project.
Rage Hospital.
Yes, I have all documentations and I'll show it to you before we leave. The facts and figures behind.
As at 2012, Atamils Free Sonia Wie.
No, what tell me say? Initiation.
Okay.
Who said? Maybe my boss say Akufo-Addo inherited 44 projects.
Initiated by various
other presidents. And on Wabeji. Your hospitals that were initiated by other presidents. And
John Mama so initiated
projects 12. Akufo-Addo beji. Ne yes ye wie ye njabi. But President Kufuor left 9 to the NDC. And Sana Kufuor other hospitals making it 13. Now you were champion the previous 2, Boakye and Komfanochi. I want to prove, say, Abaya Hodwono. Why never every sector you kwa met me approve actually. Say Kufuor was so a fufro nyumamu. Ayo ni at the completion than any president in the history of this country.
No initiative.
No initiative more in every sector than every president. Tina Medical actually say aside hospital amebu boy nyina no. Opa akọhwe agenda 111 list. So obehu maternity blocks Okolibu and Ase Komfanochi. So obehu urology and nephrology center. So obehu Eastern Regional Hospital. You see all those things. Then the 12 hospitals are Biwo Swamiha.
Okay, now let's get to it. It's a Ridge Hospital.
So Ridge Hospital.
The NDC always says Ridge Hospital, John Mama Nessie. Why would you say?
That is why I want to prove to you, say, Ridge Hospital, had it not be honorable Chemi Sabunsu, ka Professor Mosa and Kasa Kate sort. Bills no mo de buy, you know. They subjected it to scrutiny. No Moon said the price was so inflated. But Prof Mills was so principled, say, anytime you raise that, no halt. Also, ammonia investigation. So they investigated. That's why I said, I'll show you the documents when things started, when Attorney General gave the view, everything, final decision from cabinet, and Sana Ridge Hospital, Ebaso, Prof Mills time. 2, University of Ghana Hospital, purely Prof Mills. He sought his money, he did the sword cutting, just that completion see on the time. But phase 2, Ananke say, Obi for president for year no digit Munyam Nanado Nebeye. So, okay. University of Ghana Hospital and Kasa, the former President John Dramani Mahama, in terms of financing, any room. He just supervised the construction that had been started by Prof Mills.
What of Ghana Maritime?
That is why I'm going. Ghana Bankran is it's International Maritime Hospital. And Ghana Bansika, you can Google it. Then Bank of Ghana Hospital. We started under President. A process I started with various presidents.
The Bank of Ghana Hospital.
Yes.
It's attributed to President John Mahama, which when COVID came, the NDC as a party touts themselves that Senior Bank of Ghana Hospital John Mahama Esia and MPP party benefit COVID chiwa. Why would you say that?
That's why I'm telling you, sir. I know how intellectual you are, and I know all questions I will be submitted.
Sompa
so that to get such explanations. 1, Bank of Ghana Hospital. Bank of Ghana is an independent entity of state. Bank of Ghana decided so basic hospital started around 2004. So Bank of Ghana Hospital land Dr. Paul Akwa, governor under President Kufuor Nejito. Wanji was here the Bidigwa. Ojito was here the BC Hospital. And they have started the savings from the board's own regulated money. Near government of Ghana. President Mama buying chair and say, or they say, and the question Bank of Ghana construction, hospital construction. No. It's like that the office they are building. Yes, it's happening under Nanado's government. But Nanado, as a president, NAC, a Bank of Ghana, no need because it's an independent entity. No, I was saying, ni board, ni BBA, or the also, where a separate political entity. Until you want to me, may say, me a president. But I'll strip your mama off all these. Another inherited one, Kranameka. Tamale Teaching Hospital phase 1, phase 2, and currently phase 3. Phase 1 was started by Prof Mills, commissioned. The dead commissioning now Abambabin, then Minister of Health, Ekate sought for phase 2. Babin was never a health minister under John Mahama. Babin, I'm a minister under John Mahama.
Was it built by Mahama?
No, that's what I'm saying. Say the day of commissioning of phase 1 in 2011
by Professor Mills.
The day now I'm saying Ekate sought for phase 2.
And from 2011 to 2016, our penny John Mama buy phase 2 no yanya honshe.
That's what I'm telling you. Say it's an inherited project by Professor Mills. But
John Mama see.
That is it. But it was ongoing and completed in his time.
But Oye.
Yes, phase 2 Oye. Then phase 3, like currently, phase 3 is going on. Nanado inherited it. Nti me chreni obi agifri obi nsem no bra oboye. Bolga Hospital. Phase 1 was inherited from President Kufuor. Mama Shariaiti Ekate Sod who invited the late Honorable Akuto say so on the signs with the Saudi Arabian government. So no acknowledge. From there, Niakana hot water till this government came. So I can say, Biaba, no abet will be there. Now, who did not audition. None you know, so cry, no answer any. It's your no initiative, I'm telling you, on his own. 12 major hospital projects. As we talk, now we or not the initiation, you know. Near now, when any empire, near now, 21% NMS projects, no. But the second phase, no, dear, Okate saw 2nd January 2017, 5 days to hand over. And another we reading now. Do the tribute to the 12. How can you match the 12 to even the 63 that was initiated? Main car polyclinics, so I'm talking about hospitals. There's a difference.
We're looking at health, we're looking at others. We'll get to education also. We'll get to, it's a general development. So, my memory, also on the issue of Abaya or Dimpuntio Aba or starting health. I don't know if you go there or you hit education or the economy as a whole, improvement in the economy as your time as compared to this. Mamintio. Today I don't want to limit anybody.
Mamintio na Mincha etiefua and pay homage bretie. Your man paying that John Dramani Mahama. Baby Obia
Sompa FM.
Nyamima no nipa ni madom o man de kodro ho ona mo bontoa nyamembo na ho ban enyuma pa waye edi nanim enti Professor Lumumba ekai se wo ye enyuma pa ni se wo kasa man fifecho because your works should speak for you enti nipa wo de be 10 hours kasa ma wo kon ho yin ntini kasa den wanting to explain what we have done amra timamofo no nipa purported say no, since not to see anything that means one can say I've not done anything. Mami, topic said the producer frame and some kind one go to see sort of kind, but I will pick few ones. Omanhene, we are very prolific journalist in Ashanti. Me too quite baby ada. Kumasi na medi menkui. Tia me person me come there because me person me come baby. Me show won fear. One channel, Sompa na be channel. The men that's it. See the men who be ano.
So they were 40s.
The men who be ano
50s.
The men who be ano one the channel. The pacho tikrum high. The quiet champion time. Now in hospital be the quiet. The champion hospital. That will be quiet. I want to ask you. Because I be as a journalist, you were exposure, you have traveled far. Until who institutional memory. Yen for one question was antimatter, but quite the future from a champion to Omo Abisino. Did you see any stretcher in Boakye? Are your friend a champion hospital in Boakye?
Yeah, until who was it?
That's it. Well, and then they hear me there say campaign about it is no longer about shoutology and geopology. Shoutology, shouting, geopology, jumping, Ghana for Kwenya. As some pennyphone in Ash. And today, they are more caking.
Sompa FM.
You have the man is street proof. Boakye Hospital. Me Daniel Kuponsi. Sir Professor Evans Fifi at a loss. They are all born to I will do Boakye in fee. Campaign Namika. And Boakye Heneka Chen say 50 time memorial. I buy a so embassy district hospital mom. I'm on my assassin. But I buy BNC. And the papa ya bon pa ya mom. Se kwa ukwenya mindi wanim na mom se onya nkunim dia kai Boakye for na bisi hospital maye Boakye hemfo dia ko chair side say side ha na Boakye maye gie so mun si hospital maye nti wodi aka
nti a champion dinim
me say that's what I've asked you truly professors won the election and honored that promise to the people of Boakye. In fact my better because minim there say so come on hospital now there's a plaque there waiting on it, Boakye Hospital. I don't want to be a machine pennies. I want to go and find out why you so. And my name, the Sabian, and your normal tea.
Maybe all kinds of professors are now Osiwie and now Osidru baby.
Professors started the process.
Okay.
Of Boakye Hospital.
Okay.
It is not an inherited project from a champion on record. Who's MPP for? Sometimes when you are debating them, and this kind of issues come. I have a popular quote Ade Bia me catch me nkofo. Omanhene no bibi. A gift of food in one's mind does not make the intended recipient satisfied. Today, as we speak, MPP has promised the good people of Ashanti so basically 5 interchanges. Have they bought them? At least you have earmarked. See Benyabi war. I will not get dancing. They have earmarked. See Benyabi war. The car run about. How much can you be see? In the
Sompa FM.
Sabambiba, no be see Amaga interchanger. Can we say this is an inherited project from the MPP? Is that the narrative? Now, the Eurojet project, you will chroma. I am there. Me see, tell my quarter pa. I go cut the sword. You be assassin. I was part of it. So when people tell me that Eurojet projects are inherited by the NDC administration, it is not there. You're not there. Say, when in projects are MPP a year marking, a be Akonia parliamentary approval for 8 years, never saw the day of light. Never saw the light of day. And kind of what? Light of day. How many we can count today in MPP's administration? Does it mean all those projects have been on it? Or tomorrow, Sabambiba, no who wisdom say, or my dream where whom may be a chum. Now you are the part, but on mine yet, into my mania. Does it mean somebody said it?
Yes,
I said, but they be on command and cast a couple and then you didn't say, because they make a gun for that. Before me phone, I'm here, me present projects, hospitals completed by John Dramani Mahama. Listen, endless. But you know what? This are the situation. Omonto Namda, in Tomuto Brabua, a Kuma, no Mudija. And your hospital. Case been a city dying. And now say, or second desperate a city dying. Now you're dying back. Now what's a 2-bedroom house? Oh, well, could I say? No, 2 bedrooms, what's in you? Now see a casa. Now which are on Plafua, now to Bob, me. But see that you know, Case been a Sibako, it is not true. Couldn't create that case be here. Now create that was and you come to appreciation. And this man here can hospital, polyclinics, chip compound, some hospital get to know. She cast your body, they were in the excess of 1,000. Then you see Vadmet from Hadae, ne caliber. If we say we want to name them as achievements, they are in excess of 1,000. But I want to put you on record. Sir Miss Solomon and an Babia. A sentimental one. Tapa Hospital, John NDC Abai, and the B as I say, Chassi, Yakoye, Yenim, the Tapahene Kai. Kumau Hospital. I have been there several times because Sabreno and another the 3K water project, so okay. Into man Pinbia Bar, Yako Fumso, or an main source, no, Fumso, so on, what are Yako? Yakwa, you fat through Kumau near share state of work. And at least I have an institutional memory of Mau. For me now, I have been there all this while. And this year buying me a G as I say, see for me now. None of these projects, and I get an inherited project from the NPP. And see, they should get those facts right. Again, me who said, or can baby who are Bank of Ghana. No, I friend say, Omanhene. Dear Rebecca Kufu. Koye la sulala ebesi okuma sekura omun kan kompojeto who was a mother unit okuma sia
baby and mother unit
I have first lady na koye la sulala no dey say 10 million and also 10 million Ghana cedis project don't they adapt to that project. So the argument is neither here nor there. They are standing tall and they say nipo mucho mamu ha anya kwanya aso MPP anya kwanya aso NDC. Now they have come to a firm conclusion that the NDC is far better than the MPP. And by the way, ever since Obedia Kodja from 2016, enya 1.1 trillion.
7
January. Enya 1.1 trillion. Now, what you for which me trillion no? Minimum say me say chirem.
Kind of profit smells or paper.
But say you can say you got to create a moi. You bet me sha bet se fear ko ka be ko nongo. Scano mama sada at the create so. So person feature what the 1.1 trillion say that because minimum say me sin channel. When you bobesia 742 billion. Cumulatively, when you put this money, Now we tie any better way any agenda 111. Tell me, in the modern scheme of work, any abaya abba, look at hospitals. His Excellency Professor Mills, His Excellency John Dramani Bahama, here. Nothing compare agenda 111. It's an insult to the people of this country. Moving on as a country that we are developing.
Agenda 1 district hospitals. No. Why would you call it?
What's your picture now? You'll be tempted to see as a warehouse crowd. Hospital, the architecture, the design, the Biakra Sayari. Who do University of Ghana? No, the environment itself tells you that why
an architectural design.
Yes, it's Sadai. University of Ghana Medical Center alone, Accra General Hospital alone can build 100 of those buildings. That's what I want to be.
District hospitals. No.
And that would be Ghana for you have seen like what would you know. It's an afterthought of which by the 7th of January, as MPP fair them, they cannot deliver one.
Really?
One. They cannot deliver.
Yeah, agenda 111. If you must by September, October, Sompa FM. No, almost in furnace everything.
We are here. And then in your hospital. Again, that emphasis. And now Professor Moss and now
agenda 111. We now work.
As a kid at the terminal, the terminal. What would you hospital? I was at my friend.
We know solar panels. That's all we need.
In this modern scheme of work, can you carry hospital we have been designed by the administration? Never to say. Now we pavilion way in 1980s, 1911, when JJ Rollins Elmer School's pavilion. That was when they were building this building. And you taxpayers' money. And so when we are doing things for the country, well, it's okay. But you don't come and compare this to the hospital, you know, because one of University of Ghana can put up about in excesses of bare 200 billion. Thank you. And you see that compares. But you see, where I wouldn't mean come over Kenya and say they are adding up to our store. And you see, these are polyclinics, these are cheap compounds, these are one that we will build for the people of this country. I will be here giving 1.1 trillion. Having borrowed 742 billion in excesses, gold, oil, everything that we have in our possession. And that's what we have to show to the people of this country. Now, but you be a noa, and you are dear child, buying beer in the Fourth Republic. A banner will go concrete road from Accra to Tama. A banner will establish the whole Tama city. A banner will see Tama Harbor. A banner will book Marcia. G can be attributed to him. Can you see can be attributed to him? When they talk with this, look at the infrastructure. Thank you. Me say the architecture alone who come now
Sompa FM.
All the architecture that is the legacy of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. But in spite of all this, Maka said, Yaman 1.1 billion. Maka said, what both business 720 billion. Maka said, the hospitals that I have, because this is Semikasa Malaysia, is in necessity. Where are we as a country today? Share me by boss. Come back to this thing. The country Ghana has now turned like a crime scene. And I feel so sad for my country.
Why?
Why everybody wants to leave this country. So see you are and you're going to issue visa for US, Canada here. Me sure say everybody will leave. Have you heard the story moving around if it is true? Say a Paralympic team called Norway. May sure say
it's a true story. They have been investigated.
Thank you. Now the worst of it all say yes, is that correct?
We hear so, but
the story we are hearing is also true. That summarizing the state at which we are in today. Look, some people before the next you. Now do our buying, if you won't top it true, if you won't rent, if you want free credit, if you no coupon. Now because as if say the country Ghana nipa hontoma adabraka
wrap it up man
sa hot see obobodin me beto me be no kasa no kasa and na tem and na it is true. Governance is a continuous process, rightly so. And this aban bi ya adwuma na aban bi beto aso
Sompa FM
yeah. Sa na NDC assurance that every project that now do sika can including hospital we say the University of Ghana could have built this in SSS. Yeah, but we will complete everything.
All right.
What we are promising the good people of this country say governance is holistic. Today, what is the state of the economy? Are you women as compared to what the MPP inherited?
Hold it there. I'll come back to you.
I would dare submit. Say it is never true that the MPP administration have done anything extraordinary than any government. But what we seek to do is say, so okay, and this year, me come tell you. Sectoral compound we built in excess of thousands. Cheap compounds in excess of thousands. Polytechnics, they can't say but they're what you can say big ones. Casiano. And there be another emphasis. Continually, our contribution to the health sector, not only sector, not only going as a medical people, literally of our health sector.
All right.
About then, this
Mami go David or David. Mami chill. Yes, my brother. What's it?
My name is Ghana. Hayenya Mribia. Ghana focus and they hire the party in opportunity into coin. Has there been any instance like that? So Ghana focus so. Say the mind no the party. Say many opportunities. Say me go US and I Germany, but I come because me mind no more. Has there been that instance?
No.
Since I owe me, Ghana ni bia me nim no bia any opportunity obi to kwan. Nti say obi be to kwan say baby sa wo ha no de is neither here nor there. But no kre ne no kre. Omanhene onim ni ebinom ka say eye sabe insult structures no. Na me de ne say omanma eni nananom a esi won sa aseso no edi ho adanse say nyemo a kayen say ni omuno sisi ye no awere wo se me wo me say 15 bed hospitals o ni e ka polyclinic ya ogegan na nka me ne me pene say ye ne atiefo na edi nkomo. Nobody has ever denied it say na ye ka say we are say ahokire ne but ye ka say in the course of it ahokire wo wi ase ne nyina no aban we ya bone ho modern sen aban bia wo the sectors Omanhene person me no kire me da Eurojet ye pass in one sem parliament person with da Eurojet ye sign whole contract metimi a kire say Eurojet a delay because of chronobar ebam. Government of Ghana was not supposed to pay a dime on to one city and my Eurojet for no Promise the Shani vice president as on supervisor you will no more release the 18 million euros to Eurojet. I don't know my Promise all two projects now all people say your mama time no catis order no. But now President Kufuor all documentations I signed the document what was left was value for money auditing and on project next year completing by 2012. That is in the contract. And yet then actually why Senator John Mama Pese Oyi military hospital no Efri Kumasi Edi Kotamale. And a part of the delay. Obia upe bia kore parliamentary Hansard. Honorable Dr. Usua Free Kutomo and a fighting man military hospital cyber Kumasi. John Mama so want to say money match anti region. Do be jina na wo kasa the reason why Eurojet mo na mo kate so na krono amobo ni mu a ense se yebo any two decision born say ebe kwa santima mu de yempene the no ma project dealer ama me kasa no chese ekope bibi President Kufuor did everything yeah ba no na John Mama kate source 5 days for 6 hospitals yes here we the other na the President Kufuor we hu bibia de montumi anye 8 years. Do you tout yourself say eh see a delay the next military hospital work Kumasi ye say we hospital NDC MP for whole West say one tia say President Kufuor be investment okay you Komfanoche hospital na chire was here basic regional hospital Kumasi they will not allow it. What are you saying? Me say Yanka polyclinics. We are talking about 100-bed hospitals. 100-bed. Braburu East. They say Braburu East. Brakajeji. NDC stronghold. Hospital now where a chief compound 10-bed hospital for a whole district. The Queen Mother pleaded, knelt down before Dr. Baumia 2018. So Dr. Kamin said something fata say because I had yet to about munya bikura by Radia Keke Mami during Salah Fest and Dr. Baumia around. I was there. Today, Kokajeji Agenda 111, your roof, your plaster is painting. There's a whole thing I say, insult, go and tell them there. Moye sa insult, mudi omo sa atem no seats, our hospital ni tiwa. Kieba ye bi aye nsi no. That colonial building, no, some year more, Komani Jihu Jayen. The only thing is that the concept of Agenda 111, no, John Mama Tiasia, I am for say is so ambitious. How will he think this way? But you go in your own manifesto. What promise is obviously district hospital or Babia, there are none. Didn't Babia yes, Babia BC, yes, BS home. These are facts and figures behind the Ridge Hospital. These are bill no call Parliament. These are you refer back. Prof Mills, my Attorney General, Bemu, Eddie Bibiabe and the Prof Mills. But John Anna, one thing I can say, we have changed certain fundamentals in this country. Until the timid to year was say. Minua yi bono oboma mpani a wasitema oya ade pa President Nkrumah, but President Nkrumah tema was not like this. President Nkrumah did motorway from Accra to Tema 4 lanes yen hunu bida yen nkora nyina yekopahwe, but today that road is being done 10 lane over 5 with 4 interchanges. So Nkrumah did well by doing the 4 lane, but near 10 no onye. As we talk, the biggest roads in this country, every big road, a contractor was so boy, Accra or arterial roads, Accra to Winneba, 6 lane. First, na double. I stayed in Cape Coast for 9 years. When I'm here, Okwa 1 over 1. You do so, you share accidents. Ne mampenini bi yen Okwa 3 over 3. Ne Ofanko to Nsawam, the longest. Motorway yonkono, but being done 10 lane, over 5 with 4 interchanges. What are you saying? Which of Jomama will you compare? Jomama builds circle interchange, 260 million euros. Now you see Pokuya 40 with 98 million. What are you saying? No, na ade beto TSN ka we betimi asi bebre. Yes, no correct. But ye per moderate, so called E-blocks. Okuye to a black kwasi. E-blocks no cost you between 5 and 6.5 million.
Mine, why 7 minutes?
Nade, what is your problem? Relax.
Time ready.
5 calling time.
To 6.5.
Time not my minister.
I gave everybody 20 minutes.
Million. Omanhene. All the 200.
First time, no. Ubia 20. The same thing I'm demand.
Thank you.
Why?
Omanhene. All the 200 senior highs that your mama intended to build. Now it cost to Ghana $1.3 billion. All the 200. Just 1 year investment in free SHS in 2019. As your mama and Kasakra complaining say if you have $2 billion, you will not invest all in free education. Can build 307 of the E-blocks. 1 year free SHS in Huskano. Your mama E-blocks no per no any minister cost or the betuja. Yemfa the highest 6.5. Now the 1 year free SHS Huskano. A bet to me a E-block 307. But obi a no ye ni vision no for the whole 4 years we see 29. Tiaka investment in education I bet na aka say ya ibobusia 724 billion. So where is the NDC 122? Mama ye nwene say ye kasa omo ayetie ne de nim hwe o. Omo ayetie no ba ye nwene say omo nim hwe. You inherited 9.5 billion Ghana cedis. We increased about 1,300%. 1,300%. Say ye komo channel na can say Ghana ka e kuka ko 2 trillion Ghana cedis. Say ye komo mo trend na.
Wrap up for me.
Wrapping up no. Mishes, did I can catch us sectors. sectors of the economy. Government be any or the investment Ghana railway mu esen anado danko ekufuado. No government. The last railway in this country was done in 1956. Since then, man penyibian for 1 inch and twaso. And now send ye wo hono why a major replacement. And then you say you were over 64 kilometers Huni Valley no to Kwadjokro Mansomo even viaduct ne railway bridges. Abai na ye Ghana ni why you be paying. Yanko fire service training schools. Nkrumah Giant one. I served for Ghana for over 60 years. Now do I see 3 aka home. Prison immigration schools. Now were 1. Yeah, major expansion were 1. No buildings say oh yeah 6 in the ebeto so. Yes 2 na aka home Tepa and Chebi. Police training schools the ebeto yes bi aka home. But no government in the recent years, apart from the 60s and 70s. Okay. It is sponsor. The person business say which sector? Judiciary. I don't want to go. Judiciary. No government. And deliberately. What's it 20 courts? So make sure that's a missing course. 1, 2, 3, 20. I buy when courts 120. Judges bungalows 150. Law court, law house. 12 story. You see Johnny where you read the whole structure. 8 years of NDC now the national baby will be. And since Nkrumah left Ghana Law School, I find a Kufuadu see law school for. What are you telling us?
All right. My member,
thank you.
10 minutes, also 10 minutes.
In terms of railway, I zero by his own logic. You know what? Tema Akosomo railway line.
And Pakadai.
No, Akosomo.
Okay.
Money, secured contract, everything. So on logical. MPP came, change the course from Tema Kosombo to Tema Pakadai. The wisdom behind Tema railway line was that Yakwano essay because Omo Mali any Bokida.
Kasakese.
Kasakese didn't manufacture Kwano Swa essay. Yanya railway from Tema Port to Akosombo. The Drakosomwa, ye increase port no. Yenya bigger versus Sectoral. A bit me a catchy goods no. A friend so. No more picking up no more. That was a wisdom. Everything designed, every work has been done. Medium see project open heritage. There's no problem about it. But Ubetina Kasama Yintini, we ain't any city, we ain't any city, we ain't here. Now do Tama, Akosomo. I'm more than any other Tama Bakadai. No, you say, no government, me say, on one single railway project, this administration, I'm for Mosanka being behaved. But you see, say, what do Saka, or no longer than Bacon, that's idea. Anka, Osha, say, no more better than me, or Gas, and coming because governance a continuous process. I'll get to my drift. But per all logic, no, sir, we should be say, na ya. Then I want to put it to you that Tema, Akosomo, I'm better near Tema Pakadino. You have no idea of how it came into fruition. Tema interchange, Boakye interchange. You are an astute journalist. You know the history beyond all these projects. That Nanato knows next to nothing about all these projects. But you see, maybe they can go ahead and rattle. Tilamaka said, Kasano, but the good people of this country, Abom Kwakotui, Ubia Bet Nasi, Crow Fiso, Omo, they are buying me, the NDC, the MPP, they have compared all of them. Hey, NDC administration, Kasi, when we came, we expanded Takrade Habo and expanded Tema Habo. Share but say no. That Jamie Jam Kajoka say, no. A year 21st century edge catching project. I didn't tell you increase Tema Habo. We said that versus Bagana was smaller verses, and therefore they were charging higher, right? Let us increase the harbor to accommodate bigger verses, so that those who are doing both export and import, Ebenya tarifa are very low. To undermine Mahama and the NDC administration collectively, Terminal Kotoka International for Terminal 3, and your most watering projects are everywhere in this. I said to my temwa, me don't know person go say first or hospital somebody and a Kumawu and Yakaye. The issue of Afari military hospital wasn't out of place because a national cake and whether it is Eurojet or whether it is what or minor and so government was looking at fairly distributing resources We who say Ashanti Kumasi our regional hospital big by name Konfonochi. And you who say pressure also because someone wants to go in
regional referral.
Good. But not any regional.
Yeah.
Central region. A one and near the one. That's what I wanted to mean. Someone wants to go in pressure. You see a regional hospital. That would have a bit more pressure now.
I reduce the referrals.
Very good. And see, so big hospital like military hospital. What are we thinking about? Because of a strike. Omanhene say we go strike. So we back up no for because one is in Greater Accra, right? And the back up no for. No half 3 regions in up north at least if any emergency. Now the traditional hospital worker say your cost striker at least they can have some little respite there. That was the argument. It has nothing to do with say Eba Kumasi and Obisi Ompe. NDC yenye party mo. Na kiyeka the quantum of project that we did in a certain region. Mompon. Me de bia mbeka me de example because me fin suta. Ma chere won some secondary school da. Sata no for bonkro na wo come podu money keswa. Unkwada soak buckets. Eco pensio because of water problem. John Dramani Muhammad and then NDC came. Today, Obiti environments water is no longer an issue. Kumawu, center. The 3K project. Me see, I life changing. Omanhene they be make us no more me. Na me wo fasi e charo obodo masi. So me enclave no. Na me cause what we can be. In so ni ho. Omo ba se o no, ko bi wa se o so na be say nsuo kofoga no sibi egu abobo yam de come on. No mind me ko weekend back. Na unya me yam ha me. Na ka 1 gallon penisi wo. Aden so ba ha na eba. Nti se me ko na se me de ko ya e besa. Nti Omanhene o se me ye SOS to me SOS. SOS. O se me ye SOS. Komite ma de bechi. Na me de ba ko no apushi afaya. Today, who kumewu ni enclave nkoko ya. That problem has been solved by a nation builder. It's a project here no. Now move bibi a friend say cost they can say projects are
cost benefit analysis.
Not cost benefit analysis, but projects are a generative sika.
Return on investment.
A bit me a project now. I hope you at me. No, senior. We were thinking about that. This is a trouble gas. We invested 1 billion.
Return on investment.
But at least you bring returns on that investment. Terminal 2, we invested. But you bring returns. Temahabo, Takwadiabo, we invested. You bring returns. KJT market, of which the original plan was Central market. But sorry, no, you 2 miles your more coin. Yes, you busy for Mukata for busy for Kuros consider that beside Tadia. Yambody KJT mom. Near your Munko. Near ya, Yabaya Central market. Project we are. Can pay for itself.
It is paying.
Yes. That is how come your time. Who was our ballooning a car? Now everything we did was structured in a way say we were thinking about today, we were thinking about tomorrow and into the future. Into John Dramani Muhammad Express, when it comes to the road sector. I will be the last person. Some say I have not seen certain things going. But if you ask me, project are echo so many way. If I know I could have some projects.
So I'm in touch.
It is called Akwara Jesu project.
Akwara Jesu say.
Yes, no. Mami pie na watobo fruit to be about the rank. Get a show on sir. Akwara Jesu na mami be chamo. In 8 years. Original mom 1.7 million votes. You promised them 5 interchanges. You couldn't deliver one. Few months of existing power. Knowing you have failed them. You start something now and say, I did not do that. You are not getting anywhere. But at least, let me do something to appease the people of the Sectoral region. In actual fact, what we tell you, 8 years, he's saying 10 lanes there, 20 lanes there, 1 lanes there, 1 lanes there. The people of Kumasi, of which you promised 5 interchanges. Into Yebe Kofi. My influence and kept them very quiet. Let them do something to appease and almost after all, but in actual fact, this is an encouraging project. But what the NDC is promising say, yeah, ba. It's not say, a year Ghana buying sika. And yet, I said, no, you're man into. We will come and continue. The work done by the NDC, are you monumental? You see this E-block story. Omoya Namushe 18 million.
2 minutes more.
Thank you. E-blocks, the wisdom behind it say, a biokromo. And then we do, the Shankwans force, Abijama. won't be best block. Initially now, a single kunumpa. One will say agenda 111 by the MPP. It's just opposite to the E block. Have you seen? In Tula Jama, almost all the developments is where the E block is now. It's a Biokruno. That's a wisdom. Oko Pakoswa. Go and look at the area where the E block is fantastic. Oko Adobe Ra. Adobe Ra can get E block now. And what they are seeing, they cannot see. Because now teachers, now workers, now students, I be Adobe Ra Krono. So as I said, now Korea school, he thinks about Adobe Ra and said, I want to go. Oh, if agriculture, same story. If we have done same, and your commercial, your man, Adobe Diano, and your operational, and young country who says, today, and the people of Dobonso and this enclave, at least where the school is, because school never want to know, and crowd people get now, somebody will come and build there, there will be commercial activity, and what be? That was the wisdom of the NDC. In saying, I didn't know, and yet, sometimes you have to be very, very objective to understand what the NDC does. That is why the people in this country today are of firm conclusion that having compared the MPP and having compared the NDC, we think that Ghanaians think that the NDC is far better than the MPP. One more celebrate so that's what I'm saying. Say so what the 1,000 what better for documents. What's in one book page? Maybe one page. Book maybe one. Maybe no. Then I she said no. But tell you maybe book maybe what can I so I don't know because I maybe book. That don't be. She need her any. But the point is that the project what you have done must speak for themselves. But quite there because you can't dispute that because I want to perform else. Thank
you very much. Solo Maminya birthday snow. Thank you. Maminya birthday snow. Thank you. Tony Sack Electronics na soya snemi the birthdays ebremo. Na se ene eya woda na yada Tony Sack property electronics assistant se womo ena omode deep freezer, chest freezers, they have double door fridges, table topper, blenders, microwave oven, food processors. Any the akani nyina yes, my brother.
They are called capital cost projects.
Capital cost project. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay. And you know, Tony Sack, I share and I call Oko Piemo Sunyania, Cocoa Board Runabout. Ubehuyen Ewa Honomo, Cocoa Board Runabout, Yeni Oedich anymore, Oko Piemo Sphincters, I or Depocase, Kumase Menu, SD Karam Quantum Pomo, and Malcolm and Chain 0500309309 0500309309 and Janeta Santua of Jamase Abigail Sompa TV Soma Trinkwa Aaron Kwache Frimpon O Papa Eofori Ata Frimpon Trinkwa Sansona lovely wife Mrs. Felicia Ramsey. Today is your birthday. Your husband is Apostle Ramsey Kujo. And then Becky, today is your birthday. Onia Nanakwesi Chanel Aduchumwa Japan. Happy birthday to you. Beautiful beginning school from your mother and Efia of the dish and your father Pentagon and all the siblings. Sahini of Regina School Complex and Neyawawoda Omami and Mrs. Matilda Chumasi and Stephen Edu and so and your birthday. Hey, me time ye. Motamu grass one is me why you are Dr. Mensa. Dr. Mensa time as well. This is so bad. I only go. The time with us small.
But remember some small short.
Just some 2 minutes. We were nothing. That's why I was having the time with that kind of.
And you're not going to obey military hospital free Kumasi because now SSC did be off. Because Ahane, Accra, distance the same like from here to Tamale. Tamale is referral center.
Yeah.
Konfanoche is referral center. This is some Tamale deserve military hospital. Now they no Kumasi deserve. Now President Kufuor site in Ohio. Ade na mo pebi amon site bi o. John Mama insisted near friend the Great Ashanti Project.
Yeah.
Na ye beye nsia Boankra ka ho. That's when DC never touched Boankra. Omuntimi yes our investments in our Ashanti region. Mrs. Sewua NDC MP opposed it. Yeah? There's it. Hot exchanges over Kumasi Military Hospital. Obi a wutie bia Google ubenya the facts are there. Omanhene akwadaje soon wonim. Asante Maya Meto from 2017. NDC your votes in Ashanti region than any region in Ghana.
Apart from Volta.
No. Check. 2020 votes NDC in Ashanti region are higher than what NDC got in Volta region.
That's true. Accra, Greater Accra, you had a lot. And I think Volta, Ashanti region was third.
Volta was never before Ashanti. And it'll be one of the northern regions. I'm telling you. What do you check? The figures are there. You can easily Google.
658,000.
Omanhene. How many MPP promises here 5 interchanges? Which of our year campaigns? I have all our manifestos here. We are all NDC manifestos. W, make sure say a promise here because me see here were all the manifestos here. I've not seen it anywhere. Some people are trust say interchange you 5. Show me which of the years. Na me just show me. No, so we told you Agenda 111 came in because of the pandemic. Pandemic buy, you know.
Any political personality makes my become BB, but it is not in the manifesto. Because at the end of the day, solo say me. But what I'm saying is solo Fanessa now make a statement can it be attributed to I know interchange for Swami it was mentioned 5 for the the minimum say talked about say overpass Anraga Junction the inner circle roads no ma connection or abefa Swami na Abripo Junction then Santasi the inner roads
no me say what's the NPP promised till as soon as the minister beba the minister aka
I know that. So I know that you are right. You are Agenda 111. Bibi na de buy.
Bibi na de buy.
Etu obia.
Pandemic na de Agenda 111 buy. Yes. Me so me ko ba. Mami famusia. Mami famusia. Beda wase.
The family local champion.
Ade o ye local.
We will have another debate.
Definitely.
Dr. Bensa, Mami Tiwanopa. Dr. Bensa, Mami Tiwanopa. Why? Better was Siviniano. But Dr. Kasa.
Yo, Yana Achiefo na ase na yemfa Achiefo enfamna Dr. Mensa, Dr. Wonder Asweye ewo kutwi. Gini depo. Mikasa no pace is Dr. Mensa at chance. Budma de Ewokutri. Yaswe ye kese no eho. Inti mesra wa otiminka tutumika ne bra kutri. Oma yen pen yen tampe adansidie.
That's right.
Dr. Mensa so.
That's right.
Na we de esemika if you say ewiase nipa oya de osai
ma
Dr. Mensa. Omai awrabi na otwemi no awrabi ade ne ba ho gidigidi pa na sabi mfie mienu omai ohunu ni mu jani da onko afichire da na ne nan no ase atatai na niechi amuamua ne hunam nyina na omai sabi agya na nusubire na obegia de se ni tie wa nyina ne se Dr. Mensa ehu ababawa na asem okan so nyame na me Dr. Mensa so obenya yaresa o my me ka say ababawa no watiasi a wahunu ni mojani obi amfie mienu ohun ni menses da Mr. o my Dr. Mensa ye niema kese se bas betra afidie so se ne ye kasa me mfa nyanya agudie yare a emu odu yare a ehu yare betimi de wakwa amenamu no eno na Dr. Mensa yaso ye wo de wo franya yare bia haw na tete say yes di aduro ebrew awo ba bia wo a entam na Dr. Mensa delivery for no edi aduro bebrew say yes wo ba yaso ye na Dr. Mensa edi show mfidiem na yehu ba bia yare no haw yi a ye do be che mfidiem Dr. Mensa be kan cho say bra yaso ye na yemfa nhyɛ mfidiem na nanse Nyankopon de akyɛdeɛ miɛnsa abɛkyɛ Dr. Mensa akyɛdeɛ miɛnsa ɛne sɛn ya to din sɛ sasa aduro nanse na meka bibi sɛ wobɛhwɛ ne yɛwo nkwadaa yɛdware wɔ mo aduro dudu ɛne ne yɛfrɛ no dudo no
that's right
ebia ne yɛntimi anware obi saa nneɛma no adi nya bra wusua ne yɛdware wo saa aduro no bia etimi bua wasekyem etimi bua mpomuden etimi bua impo sunsum mu nneɛma a atwa sɛ aputia wo no saa nneɛma na yɛdware no etimi bua ne yi wo firim ɛno na Dr. Mensa ɛka kyerɛ me no mienu sɛ bia wo anya saa kwanya na ɛnka akyi bra yɛn nkyɛn na yɛmfa aduro na yɛdudo no ɛno na yɛato ne din sɛ sasa aduro ɛno na dodoɔ na afrɛ ne sasaduro no yɛmfa bi nka mesi bɔmmɔden sɛ wonkyɛ woto so ɛma nneɛma bi ɛnu nya ewiase bɔne wie mu ɛne ɛwɔ no eduru mmerɛ bi a yɛnye nneɛma mɛsrɛ wa yɛnye nneɛma ɛfiri sɛ nka ɛntimi ma sɛ obi a watrae aburokyire akwantuo mpere dunsia ne nyinaa ne arefi nso no mesrɛ wa eduru mmerɛ bi a wobɛfa nneɛma trawa ɛnyɛ trawa enti Dr. Mensa ka kyerɛw sɛ wo a wotɔ ne ayɛ ntɔ wo a wadwumasɛm ayɛ basaa wawaresɛm uhunu soɔ sika tɔ ho sɛm ana ahye na nka yɛkan obi kyikyiri nsuo kyekyere wata ɛnso nsuo ne nyina akyi a ɔtɔne no ɔbɔka na yɛkan nka nsuo ani koko aduane a yɛyɛ no nka kabɔ wom dabi da efi sɛ koko woyɛ koko no asie pi no ɔman na wohwie nsuo gum epi no na wohwie nsuo gum ɛno kɔ aboa wo ɛma wo nyamfasoɔ bebree nanso wedi de ɔtɔ koko no ɔbɔka do ɔkyekyere water ɛbɔka sɛ nyɛ sasa ɛna di wakyi a ɛbɛdɛ no akyekyere nsuo abɔka ɛbɛdɛ no atɔ koko abɔka nanso saa adwuma koro yi a wo bɔka no obi kyekyere nsuo osi abronsan obi tɔ koko wagye asase wo nso wo na woyɛ adwuma nyinaa bi wo na sika nyinaa kuta wo nanso no sabi asase kora wontimi mu sa bi boda Mr. Dr. Mensa se menka ntwo sɛ anɔpa yi sa wote yɛnka ɛwɔ kasafidie yi so a tutumrika na bra yasoɛyɛ na yɛma wadura yɛfrɛ ne sasaduro na fa kodware de nyansa wobɛdi nhyehyɛ no so na sɛ wodi nhyehyɛ no so a na wɔtwe na wobɛdware aduro na wodware aduro yi so wobɛdware no krada sɛ wodware ne sa ɛbɛma kwan mu ada hɔ abia ma wo ɔma yɛhwɛ ɔmo num ɛyi nka ɛyɛ yare a ɛdi nipa nya papa ɔma ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa sɛ wokasa ne wanum yi nka bra so ɛne ɛma waduro na yɛmfa nka wo na wɔtwe mienu ntam ɛnya ade a wɔbɛte anum ka no bio na ɔma yɛhwɛ wɔn na wɔnum no bɔne ɛnɛ deɛ ɔma wobɛgye adi sɛ mmranteɛ nketewa mmabaawa nketewa yɛnkwadaa mɔtɔfɔ meka kyerɛ ɔma ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa wobɛgye adi sɛ kasa fidie bi so mewie yɛ a mesii fam pɛ abranteɛ bi aworɔ no honam nyinaa naked na ɔman ɔkɔ nyinaa no ɔmo pae no ne mmara ne wopae no a ɔsɛ mehyia MP bi wɔ runabout so ɔno no wabɔ naked na baako a metie deɛ ɔmo pae no pɛ ɔsɛ mekɔ akɔhyia Nyankopɔn ɔman na wogye di sɛ ɛdi naked sɛ ne kɔhyia Nyame Mr. Dr. Mensa se menka nkyerɛ sɛ wode hyia bi anum no bɔne na watete apansam te sɛ akoa no a ɔno wabɔ naked ɔsɛ ɔkɔhyia Nyame wɔ runabout no so no bra yɛaso ɛyɛ ne mfa duro nkaw baabi a wanum no bɔne akɔ akɔduru biara no onyame nam Dr. Mensa so meka kyerɛw ɔbɛsan ba n'akyi ba ama wohunu sɛ wabɔ kwatere kwa bio Dr. Mensa se menka nkyerɛ sɛ efiri uchiwi so edukosi unamro mu bomode so obefre yen ye wokotwi Guinness depo anopa ye Dr. Mensa Chance enya asem ketua kohwe dom ukọ na se dom ho nya aboche Dr. Mensa nipenti ene ho wo enti na Dr. Mensa ho Dr. Mensa so ni ba bia ko de nyame pe na gye no akina anopa ko obeba ana sabre ya meka sei obehyan ewo kotwi mefa Dr. Mensa number no ntudwa
that's right
number no 0244 92 12 69 0244 92 69 your 027 11 73 551 Samsung 0532 92 80 95 inchia me nua bi oso opewa na de bia unim osi ushow no so de ene de pan se wo bonum na se wo tubi obusam se mi musa se wakotena Jamaica dana unim owo ahwa electoral area bia ye frɛ wo Asona electoral area ye frɛ no Brapo on na ye treasure unit committee no.
Okay.
Yeah, nyankopon shan obo adwuma gidigidi pa na asem ketewa se nipa nyina ayi adwuma ye satu hu achana oman no bekoso ye nyame penaje no aha brapo oman ne se ochiawo sa de nyame penaje no eche no pa na no anopa yi obeba Dr. Mensa so ye wo kotwi Guinness Depot enkranso yawo Madina Zongo Junction baby a Oman FM no ewa nso na yewura Kennedy Japan na bronze akese no ase ne wo anope Dr. Ankasa chance kotwi kumase ayi bra na fa wo ha amane odadwene bra Dr. Mensa na onsa yare. God bless.
No one cares. Abusiafo de mu si ha full time brainy pamfo no betra se na agudie hu nsem no oma biebie mu de ama ede mebakwa ama no ne na local sports na aka ni nyina the details of all that you need to know right here. My name is Omanhene Yaw on behalf of the